Friends, artificial intelligence has changed how developers write software. Large amounts of source code can now be generated in seconds, and the real challenge often shows up later during reviews. I am Daniel, and in today's video, I am looking at Coderabbit, your AI co-pilot, providing instant code review comments. This is not about generating more code, but about reviewing what already exists. I'll cover why this problem happens, how AI-generated output affects reviewers, and how this dev tool fits into the code review workflow when pull requests start piling up. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. First, an important clarification, mates. Coderabbit is not a software generator. It doesn't write source code for you. Instead, it focuses on reviewing existing implementations. Unlike AI coding tools like Cursor or GitHub Copilot, this tool works at the pull request stage and acts as your AI copilot, not a generator. Once connected, the platform automatically analyzes every incoming change. It looks for security issues, quality-related problems, and potential risks. In many cases, it also suggests fixes you can apply with a single click. Let's take a look at how this works in a real scenario. Folks, for this demo, I prepared a simple to-do list application. At first glance, everything looks fine. The app runs, nothing crashes, and there are no obvious errors. Coderabbit integrates directly with GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. After connecting it to your repository, it automatically reviews every new pull request you open. In my case, I am logging in through GitHub and loading my workspace. I've already created a change request with a few implementation updates, so we can see how the instrument behaves. Friends, the code changes are visible here. I have added a proper description of the changes, and now I'm triggering the review. And this is where things get interesting. The platform immediately starts analyzing the pull request. What's important here is that the review happens in near real time. In most cases, it takes 1 or 2 minutes, depending on the size of the change set. When we return to GitHub, we can already see Coderabbit's feedback. Guys, the level of detail here is impressive. The tool doesn't just leave random comments. It generates a structured review. You get a high-level walkthrough of the changes, a summary of what was modified, and an estimated review effort. In this case, the assistant calculated that a manual review would take around 45 minutes. It also highlights specific areas that require extra attention. These are the parts of the code where problems are most likely to appear. For example, it flags issues around data validation and sanitization, pointing out how input validation is handled both on the client and server side. It stresses why constraints and checks matter in these places. Mates, it also reviews API wrapper implementation and error handling logic, especially in edge cases that are easy to miss during manual reviews. Another area it inspects is file operations. Coderabbit checks whether asynchronous functions are used correctly to avoid race conditions. It also looks at XSS protection, environment variables, and how sensitive data is handled. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. On top of that, it leaves actionable comments directly inside the code, telling you exactly what should be changed in specific files and why. Folks, the instrument goes further than just comments. It automatically runs preliminary checks before a pull request can be merged. In this example, the checks pass successfully, which means the submitted changes are eligible for merging. The tool also integrates with your CI/CD pipeline. If it finds critical security issues, it can block the merge entirely until those problems are addressed. Another useful feature is interaction. You can talk to Coderabbit directly inside pull request comments, ask follow-up questions or clarify intent, and it responds in context. Friends, the platform is also a self-improving agent. It learns from your interactions over time and builds internal learnings, which help improve the quality and relevance of future reviews. In many cases, the tool doesn't just explain what's wrong. It provides one-click commit suggestions that let you apply fixes instantly, without manually rewriting code. This turns implementation review from a long, manual process into a structured workflow that takes minutes instead of hours. In this example, what would normally require 45 minutes of manual review is completed in about 2 minutes. That's roughly a 20 times reduction. Guys, the assistant identifies security issues, quality-related problems, and even suggests best practices in context. It's already used by over 100,000 open-source projects, installed across more than 2 million repositories, and has performed over 15 million pull request reviews so far. Mates, as more software output is generated by AI, the bottleneck shifts to code reviews and quality control. Writing code is faster, but maintaining reliability becomes harder without proper guardrails. Coderabbit does not replace developers and focuses on supporting them during reviews. It adds structure to a process that is often slow and demanding. I am not an implementation review authority, and these are simply observations based on how teams work with AI-generated solutions today. In teams facing review overload or slow pull request cycles, this tool can be part of the workflow discussion. Feel free to check out the links in the description below, you might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.